welcome to the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus. Of course, it is the 11th of March 2024. I'm your guide to everything Cryptonicki Oshunniyi. Let's jump straight into the headlines. Coming up, Bitcoin hits a record-breaking $70,000 milestone. Shifting gears, Binance encounters legal bumps, US court revives class action lawsuit. Right after, MicroStrategy completes $800 million offering of 0.625% convertible senior notes due 2030. Finally, National Tax Service builds a system to manage virtual assets aiming to prevent tax evasion by 2025. Upcoming events and more to come, but quickly on the market rates today, Bitcoin is up at $71,000, Ethereum is at $4,000 as well, BNB is at $524, Solana is at $149, and those Naira rates are still above 1,000 Naira to $1. Now let's get you updated on the Crypto Weekly News. We begin with some exciting news as Bitcoin hit a new record, reaching 71,415 on March 11th, up 2.62% in 24 hours. Now, in the past week, it surged over 10%, and in the last month, an impressive 47% as per coinmarketcap. This milestone comes just 3 days after Ether crossed 4,000 for the first time since December 2021. The timing is crucial. Bitcoin's new high precedes the awaited halving event on the 20th of April, where mining rewards will halve. Now, Bitcoin achieved its highest ever weekly close at 68,955 on the 10th of March, shortly after breaking its previous record of 69,200 on March 5th. Now, what's driving this surge, you might ask? Increased institutional interest thanks to recently launched spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds (ETFs) in the US. These ETFs now hold 4.06% of current Bitcoin supply, totaling over $56.9 billion in on-chain holdings. Now, projections suggest they could absorb 8.65% of the Bitcoin supply annually. Last week, spot Bitcoin ETFs, including Grayscale GBTC Fund, accumulated 33,000 Bitcoin, which is equivalent to $2.3 billion. Now, Bitwise predicts more institutions representing trillions of dollars will join spot Bitcoin ETFs by June's end. Interestingly, Bitcoin whales have increased to 2,107 addresses as of the 9th of March. However, this is still below the record of 2,489 addresses in February 2021, when Bitcoin traded above 46,000. More interestingly, Binance faces fresh legal troubles as a US court revives a class action lawsuit against the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Now, customers allege Binance violated securities laws in 49 states and failed to comply with the Securities Act of 1933. Now, the development comes as Binance tries to rebuild its reputation and attract new users, including the launch of a controversial crypto-scented perfume. Now, former Binance executives are also moving forward with the new cryptocurrency exchange called Bloom. The class action lawsuit, initiated in December 2020, sought recession damages, interest, and attorney's fees. Now, Binance attempted to dismiss or move the case to arbitration, successfully granted in March 2022. However, the Second U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals has now reversed the dismissal, deeming it premature and erroneous. Now, the court asserts the domestic securities laws apply, considering transactions became irrevocable within the United States. Now, the lawsuit returns to U.S. District Judge Andrew Carter in Manhattan after a unanimous agreement to reverse and remand on the challenge claims. Now, in other news, MicroStrategy has just wrapped up its recent financial move. On the 8th of March 2024, they finished selling $800 million worth of convertible senior notes due in 2030. These notes, which are unsecured and senior obligations, were offered in a private sale to qualified institutional buyers. Now, they carry an interest rate of 0.625% per year, paid semi-annually. Now, the notes will mature on the 15th of March 2030 unless repurchased, redeemed, or converted earlier. MicroStrategy has the option to redeem them after the 22nd of March 2027 under certain conditions. Now, holders can also require MicroStrategy to repurchase the notes on the 15th of September 2028 or under specific fundamental change circumstances. Now, the notes are convertible into cash, MicroStrategy's Class A common stock, or a combination of both. The initial conversion rate is 0.667 shares per $1,000 principal amount. Now, MicroStrategy used the $782.0 million net proceeds from the sale to acquire more Bitcoin. It's worth noting that these financial moves involve certain conditions and adjustments based on market factors. Now, the offering and sale were conducted privately, and this press release does not constitute an offer in any unlawful jurisdiction. In today's news wrap-up, the National Tax Service has chosen a pre-consulting provider. This system will help analyze and manage information from virtual asset transactions, especially with the recent surge in interest as Bitcoin hits a historic high of $69,000. Due to the increased investment in virtual assets, particularly after the approval of Bitcoin spot ETF trading in the US in January, the government is focusing on taxation and monitoring illegal transactions like money laundering. Now, the National Tax Service has selected GTI to organize and consult on this system, aiming to combat illegal activities associated with virtual assets. Now, the project addresses the need for a response system against rising illegal transactions due to the anatomy and decentralization of virtual assets. The system is set to be operational in 2025, helping prevent tax evasion and ensuring fair taxation. Globally, interest in regulating virtual assets is growing, with the European Union and the US introducing new regulations and tax reporting requirements. Now, the National Tax Service's Virtual Assets Integrated Management System aligns with these global efforts to maintain transparency, prevent crime, and protect investors. The system is expected to increase transparency in virtual asset transactions, prevent tax evasion, and promote fair taxation in line with international trends. Finally, in blockchain events to come, crypto enthusiasts, get ready for the WOW Summit Hong Kong, happening from the 26th to the 27th of March 2024. It's not just your average blockchain event, it's the ultimate meetup with Web 2 and Web 3 big shots. It's gonna be full of high-class networking, serious discussions, and a chance to uncover some sweet business opportunities. Plus, it promises a sprinkle of memorable moments to keep things interesting. Don't miss out on this exclusive blend of tech and fun. Mark your calendars. Now, that wraps up this week's cryptocurrency news here on Crypto TV Plus. If you are hungry for more market updates and the latest buzz in the blockchain space and cryptocurrency space, head over to our website at cryptotvplus.com. Now, catch us on our social media as well, as we are on Facebook and X at Crypto TV Plus, on Instagram as well at official Crypto TV Plus. Now, don't miss out on any of our daily scoop by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. And hey, got burning questions about any of our news or any of our stories? Drop them in the comment section below and let's get the conversation started. Big thanks for tuning in. Once again, I'm Oshunniyi, and until next time, stay crypto savvy.